Here at IFA 2019 in Berlin, Asus is massively expanding its ProArt series aimed at content creators, videographers, people that use 3D rendering software, video game designers, anyone that needs a lot of processing power in order to accomplish their everyday tasks. One of the main new products in the ProArt expansion is the Asus ProArt Studiobook Pro X. Now that's a mouthful, but keep in mind, this thing does pack a lot of power for things like, rendering video down, graphics processing, any kind of computing heavy task that you need to accomplish. More specifically, the Studiobook Pro X is the first Nvidia Quadro powered laptop to feature Asus's ScreenPad 2.0 technology, which is a touchscreen pad where the touchpad usually is in a laptop. So you have a screen and a touchpad dual use scenario going on there. Inside, there's an Nvidia Quadro RTX 5000 GPU alongside an Intel 9th generation Core i7 CPU. In addition to all the power for heavy lifting, creatives also need a great display in order to get their work done. Inside, there's a 17-inch panel that provides a 92% screen-to-body ratio and a 16:10 aspect ratio. The display inside the Studiobook Pro X also supports a wide color gamut covering 97% DCI P3 color space. Even though Asus says it's packed a 17-inch display in a laptop that's the size of most 15-inch models, it's still a beast, and you're going to need considerable backpack space to haul this thing around. The Studiobook Pro X also features the company's ScreenPad technology, which basically means the touchpad in the keyboard doubles as a touch display. And you can use it to launch apps, dock small windows, things like palettes for Photoshop, any kind of tools you need easy access to. And with the touch of a button, you can flip back and forth between touchpad and whatever you have docked down there. In terms of connectivity, the Studiobook Pro X has 3 USB ports, an SD card slot, an HDMI port, and 2 Thunderbolt 3 or USB-C ports. Asus also says that the Studiobook Pro X has passed military-grade durability testing for things like vibration, altitude, humidity, and high and low temperatures. So at the very least, this thing should withstand any trips you take around the globe. A lot of times when you need a powerful laptop, you have to settle for something that's really more designed for gaming, and those don't always look the best. They've got RGB backlit keyboards and, let's just say, flair for the dramatic when it comes to design. The Studiobook Pro X looks more like a regular laptop. It's a nice blue-gray color, there's some rose gold accents. It's a really refined and restrained design, and it's something that if you have to take it to a client meeting, you won't feel bad about doing so. We don't have any pricing details right now, and the company says that these machines will be out later this year. For all the latest laptop and other gadget-related news, keep it locked at Engadget.